Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows is allowed to show icons. Right-click the desktop and open View, then ensure Show Desktop Icons is checked. Once done, make sure Auto Arrange and Align to Grid settings match how you want icons placed. This prevents accidental hiding or overlap. You do this because Windows can hide icons for a cleaner desktop or after a display change. If icons still disappear after enabling, continue. There are Registry and Explorer steps next to restore visibility. Now adjust system-level icon visibility. Go to Settings, Personalization, Themes, then Desktop Icon Settings. You check the boxes for this PC, Recycle Bin, Network, and any other system icons you want. Apply and accept. This step fixes cases where individual system icons are disabled by theme or policy. If icons remain missing, restart Explorer via Task Manager to reload the desktop. Press Ctrl+Shift+S. Find Windows Explorer, then restart. Doing that refreshes the shell and often recovers icons without deeper fixes. Finally, tackle stubborn cases. Rebuild the icon cache or run System File Checker, SFC/Scanno, and DISM to repair corrupted system files that hide icons. If you're on a managed PC, check Group Policy or the registry keys that control desktop icons because administrators can disable them. Make changes only if you have permission. If problems persist, create a new user account to see whether the issue is profile-specific. This isolates whether configuration or corruption in your profile is the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.